How to create incredibly engaging YouTube shorts with AI. Hey there, fellow content creators and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's been buzzing in the world of YouTube content creation: how to leverage AI to craft incredibly engaging YouTube shorts. I'm your host, and in this video, we'll be walking you through the step-by-step process of using cutting-edge AI tools to make your shorts stand out and capture your audience's attention. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Step 1. Understanding AI tools for video enhancement. Before we get started, let's introduce you to the AI tools we'll be using today. These innovative platforms are designed to enhance your YouTube shorts effortlessly. We have 1. AI Wave, a powerful AI-driven video enhancer. 2. Clip Genius, an AI-based video captioning and effects tool. 3. Storyflow, an AI platform that generates engaging narrative suggestions. These tools will be your partners in creating stunning and captivating shorts. Step 2. Selecting and uploading your short video clip. The first step is to choose an intriguing video clip that you want to turn into an engaging short. Head over to your YouTube studio and select the Shorts option. Then, simply upload your chosen video clip. Make sure it's attention-grabbing and fits the shorts format. Think snappy, impactful, and concise. Step 3. Enhancing visual appeal with AI Wave. Now, let's enhance the visual appeal of your short using AI Wave. Upload your video clip to AI Wave, and watch as it applies AI algorithms to improve colors, sharpness, and overall visual quality. You'll be amazed at how it brings out the best in your footage. Step 4. Adding captions and effects with Clip Genius. To truly captivate your audience, let's add some eye-catching captions and effects with Clip Genius. This AI tool automatically generates captions that sync perfectly with your video's rhythm. Plus, you can experiment with a variety of effects to make your short even more engaging. Step 5. Crafting a compelling narrative with Storyflow. Now, let's give your short a compelling narrative using Storyflow. Input the key themes of your video, and watch as this AI platform generates creative narrative suggestions. It's like having a brainstorming session with an AI content creator. Step 6. Final touches and publishing. With our enhanced video, captivating captions, and a compelling narrative, we're almost ready to share our masterpiece. Take a final look at your short, make any necessary adjustments, and hit that Publish button. Congratulations! You've just created an incredibly engaging YouTube short using the power of AI. And there you have it, folks. A step-by-step guide on how to create incredibly engaging YouTube shorts with the help of AI tools like AI Wave, Clip Genius, and Storyflow. As the world of content creation evolves, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve and embrace these innovative technologies to captivate your audience like never before. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy creating!